The iPhone 17e, as a more budget-friendly variant of the iPhone 17 series, is expected to combine essential features with strong performance. It would likely feature a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a resolution of 2532 by 1170 pixels, offering vibrant colors and sharp text, though it would skip the 120Hz promotion for a more affordable price. The design would mirror the iPhone 16e, with an aluminum frame and glass back, available in colors like Midnight, Starlight, and potentially a new vibrant shade. Powered by the A19 chip built on a 3nm process, the iPhone 17e would come with 6 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth performance for daily tasks and moderate gaming. The camera system would feature a 48MP main sensor paired with a 12MP ultra-wide lens, utilizing improved computational photography for better low-light performance. Battery life would be supported by a 3,900 mAh battery with 25W fast charging, offering a full day of use and the possibility of reverse wireless charging. The device would run iOS 17, with enhancements in privacy and AI-driven features, and support 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2 for better connectivity. Starting at $749 for 128 GB, the iPhone 17e would provide a more affordable option while maintaining key features such as Face ID, USB-C charging, and dual SIM support.